Welcome to Lecture 3 in Building an Online Business in a Day. In the last lecture, we generated a few business ideas and did a bit of research using some tools that I showed you. And we narrowed it down to an idea of starting a business around business coaching or coaching. And that is the theme we're going to be using going forward. Now, into this lecture, we need to start thinking about our business in a little more detail. So it's one thing just saying we're going to be building a business around business coaching or coaching, but what does this mean? So who are our customers going to be? Who do we need to help us with our business? What tools do we need? What resources do we need? Will this be costing anything? How much do we need to invest? So in order to do this, I'm going to be using a tool called the Business Model Canvas. Now, some of you will be aware of another training course that I provide around business planning or building a business plan, which is a little more in depth than this. Now, both of these tools have their places. So a business plan, for instance, is very valuable when you are seeking investors or you're looking to raise money, either through investors, as I said, or by approaching your bank. And you need to have a really strong and detailed business plan to prove that you've done the necessary planning around your business. That's one way. This tool is another one which allows you to quickly build out a business plan or a business model. In this case, it's really valuable to do something like this because we want to prove an idea quickly. We don't want to be investing loads and loads of time and effort into an idea that might not work. So this is a great tool to think about how our business will be structured. So as I've said, this is a tool called the Business Model Canvas. It was developed by Alexander Osterwalder, and it is available free of use on the internet through the Creative Commons license, which means you're free to distribute it, you can modify it, you can use it, you can share it with friends, you can share it with family, you can share it with whoever you want, as long as you note who it's available from. In this case, the company is called Strategyzer, which now owns the license for this. So there's templates available and more guidance at strategyzer.com. But what I'll be doing is taking you through this tool and applying our business idea by using this tool. And I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. Before we do that, though, let me give you a little more insight into this template. So starting from the right, customer segments, that is quite important. That is obviously the sort of customers we're going to be targeting. We want to be able to describe them in a little more detail. We are going to then talk about our value proposition. So that is what are the products or services that we'll be offering to these customer segments. How will we be delivering these? So how are we going to get to our customers? What channels will we be using? What sort of customer relationships do we want to form with our customers? So do we want it to be a kind of self-service portal that we're going to build that will allow customers to come and do some research? Or do we want to be doing one-on-ones with customers? What are the sorts of activities then that we need to deliver in this business? What are the sorts of resources that we need for our business? And this will become a bit more clear later on as we go through the example and through the balance of the lectures. Who are the partners that we need? So the obvious one, we're building an online business, so we obviously need some kind of hosting, internet hosting or website hosting. What are the cost structures? So how much are we going to be spending? What is this going to cost us? And what are the revenue streams? So what is the money we're going to be making? You can see this is a really good tool to build out your business model. And in the next video, or just past this point, I will be taking you through completing this business model canvas.